Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can outline an image in your Canva work. So first of all, we have to pick a project. In this case, it doesn't really matter. I went for desktop wallpaper. You can set up your own background and then use some photo from Canva. It's completely up to you. We want to press on the image you've sent. We go for effect, and I'm not using Canva Pro on this account, so let's go with the background remover. And yeah, it should help us a lot, but it will take some time. And as you can see, now there's our model without any background. We can actually use it. We can make it a little bit like that, so he's more present. What we want to do now, we want to duplicate the picture, and let's go and remove it once again. It will take us a while. And as you can see, it's completely matching. As we want to do now is to change the colors a bit. And adjust. We want to go to contrast, maybe like this, a little bit of saturation. We want to put him like that. Maybe make him a little bit taller. And go for position. We want to pop him like that. I need him a bit bigger. Yeah. And we want to position him like that. As you can see, the outline is almost done. Just couple of moves. Want to position him like that, and so on. Maybe I haven't chose a right picture for this one, but yeah, it's completely up to you. You don't have to use this image. You can just use any type of image you like, and that's the technique that I recommend you to use. Like this, maybe. Yeah, perfect. So that's about it. Hopefully you can use it in your Canva Pro and have a lot of fun with it. So once again, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.